He wants a cheeseburger. Wait for us. Yeah. Alright, lots of stairs. Oh.
Old wooden door.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Oh, very nice, Ryan.
Look at this. It's craziness. Big old sink.
Old Kohler.
It's an old Kohler. No urinal stuff. Is that another Kohler?
Another Kohler. Good swirl.
Yeah, very good swirl, huh? Very good swirl. And then look at these old sinks.
C.
C and H. Alright, let's keep exploring. Alright.
It's really cool.
Oh, they modernized us. They have Kohlers.
I didn't look at the toilets, but I looked at the entrance. Let's go see this women's. And then check if that works while we're in here, Dad. Come here, Drake. Look at this women's. It's got stairs. Look, stairs in the women's room. Do you see this? Oh my goodness, look at this. What do we got here? What? Look at this toilet. It's crooked. Look at this. It's an old Gerber. And it's not centered very good. Give it a flush, Drake. Do you see? It's diagonal. Give it a flush. No, you don't see Gerbers very often. It's another Gerber. Church seat.
No name.
No name on it.
No name.
Mm-hmm. Give it a flush.
No name. No name. What if it's on the bottom? No name.
No name.
It's just a random toilet.
I don't see any name. Interesting. Got one more. Oh, two more. This is a different one. With a blue water. You like that? It's a Kohler.
Yeah, there we go. Do you have flash on?
Yeah. It's a good spin. It's a good spin. Oh my goodness, look. Instead of fixing the window, they just encased it. It's got all the lead paint. Really old sinks. But the toilets aren't that old. No name again. But look at that flush. Interesting. It's like a swish.
I know what this is. American Standard.
Oh, Drake says this is American Standard. The church seat.
I know how.
Alright, let's see if this thing works out here. Look at that old sink.
Another one.
Dirty. Another old sink.
Let's see.
Does it work? Oh! That works.
Powerful.
Very powerful.
So powerful.
Two different types of knobs.
Two different types of knobs. Let's see the other one. How the other one works.
Let's see if this works. Come here. Let's try the button of it. No? Need a key. Needs a key. We'll just look at it.
Actually,
You see, it needs a key to push the button.
Oh, yeah.
we can actually go inside.
Oh. Let's try. Oh, the key's in it. Here, one person waits outside though.
Okay, good. Can you turn the light on?
light.
There's no light.
Let the door close. It's not gonna.
Showed us in the dark. Oh wait. There we go. There we go. All right. Oh. It's a You gotta hold it down.
Yeah.
Like what? Stop.
No.
No, automatically. Hey, look. Look at that old door in there. Going up. Gated old elevator. It's a good find, huh?
Old
See
elevator.
these? We pressed the light button. It didn't do anything, but they had this light that you turn on with a switch. All right, here we go.
That's funny. Old elevator.
Yeah, found it.
Old elevator.
All right, shut the gate and turn off the light. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Look at this. Do you see any bathrooms up here? No, but there's a suit of armor. No bathrooms. All right, let's do it again then. Doing it in the dark this time. Leave the light off. Makes a little bit of a noise.
Look.
Look at Dad peeking. Did you see that, Dad? Hey, no, no, no. Wait, steps. It stepped. Made a step.
I'm doing the gate.
Look, stop that.
It might not be all the way down.
There we go. All right.
I'll do.
Great. There we go. That's cool.
Do you like it?
Good find, Dad.
Then we'll try
All right.
this last one. All right.
Say bye-bye.
Bye bye YouTube. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.